All right, guys, we're doing a crawfish boil. Oh. All right, Tyler, for the guys who don't know what we're doing, you want to explain to them?
So right here we got a crawfish boil pot, and filling it up with water right now, trying to clean it out a little bit. And we're gonna start boiling the water, and then we're gonna add some potatoes and some crawfish and other seafood. So we'll see that as it progresses, huh? Well, we're gonna start with some potatoes first. Some red potatoes and some spices over here that we got. Some Louisiana spice.
What kind is this?
Louisiana spice. That stuff make it right here. This end will make it real hot.
Okay.
This will go in there as well, and that's what we'll start with first, and some garlic. And later we'll add some seafood and some mushrooms and some sausages we got down in here. I'm gonna put some sausage in there. Some garlic going in. Do some potatoes next. Just a few red ones. Some lemon. Put some of this concentrated crawfish, crab, and shrimp seasoning in here. It's a liquid form. It's real hot. Only need a little bit. Probably good right there.
And that's all you need for the whole thing, right?
All you need.
Wow.
And we got some rub here, some seasoning. You pour that right in the boil, let it sit. Smell that, it smells good. That's what it's supposed to smell like.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's just gonna go right in there, just like that. Looks like a lot, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Maybe a little bit more. Give it a big old stir. A couple minutes here, your eyes are gonna be watering from all that spice.
Oh boy.
Looking in there like that. Get down there and smell a little bit of that.
Oh yeah. So how many of these have you done since you moved down here?
This is my second one doing myself, but been to a couple other places where they were doing them in the backyard. So
Yeah. So you're well taught.
I'm learning.
That's all we're ever doing is learning.
We've got the pot boiling. Tyler just put the sausage in. He's about to put the shrimp in and everything else. And not too long from now, we'll have it all ready. We're gonna show you guys the end result and how good it is. Out here in Texas, we do everything in the front yard. Right? Look at this guy working, dude.
We're gonna bring it back to a boil now, and once it comes back to a boil, we're gonna cut the heat, let them soak up all that flavor, and enjoy.
All right, guys, I got the little guy with me. We're just about done right here with the boil. What do you think, dude?
Pretty much see the gist of what's going on in here. Got your shrimp, sausage, got your crawfish, and potatoes, your mushrooms, everything just sitting in there soaking that flavor up.
How about your now, Court?
Yummy.
Yeah?
Uh-huh. I like
Look at
it.
that. Looks amazing.
I'm a southern
I'll give you a
belle.
little tutorial on how we're gonna do this crawfish.
Yeah, let's do it.
There he is right there.
Yep.
I'm missing a little leg though, huh?
Yep.
Alright, just gonna take it, break it off the back here, dispose of that top one, break this first little piece here, and break it off, that first ring, and peel that back just like that, We're gonna grab the meat here, pinch the tail, the bottom of the tail, just pull like that. Get all that nice stuff out, and there's your tail.
Boom.
Now watch
Looks
Courtney's
good.
version.
Okay, do it.
We're still learning over here.
Oh, and it's gone.
No, there's a little piece.
All right. We just got done eating our crawfish, and it was pretty amazing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.